Today, I am going to share a story of a boy, in fact, a poor boy, who is now inspiration for millions. Hello everyone, my name is Motikya. I'm a public speaking trainer, motivational speaker, and the author of upcoming book, Public Speaking with Josh. He was born and raised in Argentina. He developed passion for soccer at the early age of 5. He has showed great skills in the local club coached by his father. He was the shortest guy of all boys of his age, and he also said that when he went onto the pitch and when he went to school, he was the shortest of all. At the age of 11, he was diagnosed with growth hormone deficiency and had to seek medical assistance. Every night, as a part of treatment, he has to stick needles into his leg for over 3 years. As the treatment was too expensive and too long, his parents couldn't afford to pay the medical bills, and even his soccer club refused to pay the medical bills. At the age of 13, his life took an amazing turn. He got an offer from FC Barcelona that they would pay for his medical bills if he would play for them. His family moved to Spain with no money and job, just in the hope that this boy will play soccer. At the age of 17, he became the youngest player to score a goal in the history of FC Barcelona. He has won many championships for his country, scored highest goals, and became one of the best players of all time in the soccer. Despite of his growth hormone deficiency, he did not give up his passion. What do you think? Who is this guy? He is none other than Lionel Messi, one of the best players of soccer. So my dear friend, today I would like to tell that do not think on your negative part. Just focus on your strengths. Do not be surrounded with the negativity. Every person has some weaknesses in his life, but the one who overcomes those weaknesses will achieve success. Do not be surrounded with the negativity and always be positive. There is a famous quote which says that if you replace your negative thoughts with the positive thoughts, you will start having positive results. Thank you.